What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a project for a friend of mine. She wants the Deadpool helmet that I just did in my recent video. I'm going to leave a link right here and down in the description. Also, she wanted me to do an Iron Man Mark 43 armor. Now, if I got this one wrong, y'all definitely going to tell me down in the comments, but I'm pretty sure it's the Mark 43. So far right now, I have the Deadpool helmet printed out as well as the Iron Man helmet. So I printed this helmet a little bit different. I used the Bambu Labs matte dark red PLA versus the Polymaker red PLA I used on this one. Also for the eyes, I did their Bambu Labs, their matte black. I just want to see the differences of which one. Also over here, for the Iron Man armor, I did the Polymaker Cos PLA because I'm gonna be doing a lot of sanding. You can see right here, the top layers, gonna need some sanding done, as well as the front. But I'm gonna hand sand this because I do not want to mess up the detail in the front. With that being said, I'm gonna be shooting this in vlog format, so I hope you guys like it. You'll let me know down in the description as well. And enjoy this video because I'm just trying to, change things up a little bit. All right, let's get to some support breaking. All right, y'all, what's going on? So a quick update on the build. I just finished sanding it and now it's time to do the, the red putty, the acetone and Bondo method. So I'm gonna get ready to do that, but I want to update you on what I did to the actual helmet. So the helmet normally comes in the 4 pieces. You got your headpiece, your 2 back pieces right here, and then your jaw piece. But I don't want to waste a whole bunch of magnets. So I went ahead and glued on the entire back piece. It's all gonna be the same color anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue that on there. And now I have to glue on the magnets. After I glue on the magnets, I can go ahead and start the Bondo process. So that's just where I am right now, and I'll update you in a bit. Light misty coats, and we're gonna just spray it on. Easy and on and off. On and off. All right, guys, we are in the home stretch now. I just finished the paint and the clear coat, and I'm super excited about how it came out. So you guys can look at it and tell me what you think. Woo! I love me a good clear coat. I hope you guys can see it on camera how good this came out. I'm super excited about it. I tried to fix all the dings and nicks. I had to kind of respray that side right there because I tried to use some liquid mask and peel it off and it did not work, so I had to respray it, but that's okay. I mean, we learned, but I think it came out really good. Next thing I gotta do, guys, is do the LED eyes, wrap it up, do a little bit of fine detail work, and we'll be done. So I hope you guys are really liking this new vlog format. Let me know down in the comments. And if you really, really like it, go ahead and smash that like button. I appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and finish up this build. So that's it. That was the project. I had 2 weeks to build 2 helmets. Now this one was of course the easiest because it was just basically print on the printer. I love the way it came out. I used Bambu Labs dark red filament and I used their matte black, which I think was a great, brilliant idea because with matte colors, it's so much harder to see the layer lines, and because the Bambu Labs printer is so good. Oh my goodness, I love that printer. Because it's so good, I was able to print the eyes and you can't even see, no sanding required. I don't even see it. It came out beautifully, just like my other one that I got right there, but this one has a darker color. Now, of course, actually sanding, priming, and painting a helmet actually takes a little bit longer. The colors, thank you to Saturday Morning Props. Dylan, you're the man. I love the colors. I love the way they came out. Of course, the clear coat on top just makes it my chef's kiss. Inside the helmet, I used the lights from another build. So they're not the white. but that's okay because I love the orange look. It looks so much more menacing. So as well as I did a detail inside, I used some matte black paint, and then I did a dry brush of some rub and buff. I did a dry rub of rub and buff. So I think that came out so good. The inside, I thought the magnets, I painted the magnets. I thought they were gonna not be able to show, but I just love the way it looks inside. It came out phenomenal. I can't even, man, it's such a good build. I love doing Iron Man helmets. I might have to do some more because I love the way they look when they come out. Maybe next Iron Man helmet I do, I'll make it where it's motorized. So what do you think of the project that I did for my friend? I know she's gonna love these helmets. Hopefully she watches this video and it shows her friends as well, but I really enjoyed this project. I need more projects to do. So leave it down in the comments of what project I should do next. I tried to change up the format. I did vlog format instead of regular. I hope you guys like a change. I don't know, I thought I liked it. If you guys liked this video and you learned something, go ahead and hit that like button. It's much appreciated. Subscribe, we're a partner now. So if you want to tip, share, I appreciate that as well. And turn on that bell notification. That way you'll know I have my next upload. I'm loving this job. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys want to see how I did this Deathstroke helmet in more detail, click on the video right here. Everybody have a great rest of your night. God bless y'all. Peace out.